Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all another one of my favorite recipes, and this one is for pepper scallops. So if you guys would like to see how to make this, keep watching. It's going to be just like when I make pepper shrimp. So to start this recipe, in a large skillet I'm adding in some sesame oil. I like starting with it. If you don't like starting with it, you can use regular oil and end with the sesame. To that goes in some minced garlic and some ginger. Next goes in one scotch bonnet finely chopped, which is totally optional. Some pimento peppers chopped, and we're going to lightly saute this on a low heat for about a minute just to help bring out the flavors. Now we're going to go in with tomato ketchup. Now I like using tomato ketchup. You can also use tomato paste or some tomato sauce. In goes Chinese seasoning, and this is a must. This is going to add that depth and that flavor that we need and we know pepper scallops or pepper shrimp sauce to be. So mix that in and then go in with some light soy sauce. Don't use dark, because if you do, it will discolor the sauce. Mix that in and we're going to allow this to cook for about a minute. It's going to thicken that sauce and make it really rich. Now goes in some chunky vegetables. I'm using collard bell peppers and onions here. In goes salt and white pepper. I love using lots of white pepper when I make Chinese food. It adds that distinct taste to it. So we're going to just cook this for about 20 seconds. I don't like my vegetables soft, so I always try to keep it tender crisp. Now in goes the baby scallops. You can use the bigger scallops if you wanted to. It's up to you, and you can switch it up and use clams or mussels that have been already cooked and just toss it in this sauce. It's a great sauce for seafood. So you're going to let that cook for about a minute until the scallops are done. You don't want to overcook the scallops. Then add in your chopped scallions. And then this is ready. You just want to taste, adjust your salt, and serve it. It's one of my favorites, my husband's favorites. We even like using langostino to make this. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Thank you all so much for watching. To remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.